We'll guide you through how to measure line size in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the taskbar search feature to look for Google Chrome. Once the browser appears in the search results, open the Google Chrome application in the browser, enter Figma into the search bar, and select the official Figma website from the results page. Before continuing, make sure you're already logged into your Figma account so you can access your files and editing tools without interruption. The Figma main page will load in your browser. For this tutorial, select the previous project you want to work on from your recent files. Once selected, the edit page of your project will open and display all available layers on the canvas. Next, choose the line layers that you want to measure. You can select these layers directly from the canvas by clicking on them, or you can locate and select them through the Layers panel if that method is more convenient. After identifying the correct object, click on the specific line layer you want to measure so it becomes active. With the layer selected, move your cursor toward the bottom area of the Figma interface and locate the Actions option. Click on it to open additional tools and features. From a menu that appears, choose Plugins and Widgets to access the plugin library. In the search field, type Measurement and wait for the matching plugin to appear in the results. Once you find the measurement plugin, click on it and then select Run to launch the tool inside your project. The plugin window will open and provide several measurement options that can help you analyze distances and dimensions within your design. To create a measurement line that is easier to read, locate the option labeled with extension line and check the box next to it. Enabling this feature adds extension lines that clearly indicate the start and end points of the measurement. After confirming that the option is enabled, click the New Measurement button. The plugin will generate a measurement guide for the selected line layer, allowing you to view its dimensions more clearly.